Hi guys, so today's video is going to be on Foota Hype and Casey Fennell. Casey Fennell was Miss Jamaica or Miss Universe 2014, and she was the Jamaican with the short hairstyle. She was one of the first women to compete in the show with a short cut. Foota Hype had a bag of things to say about her and how she dressed to carnival. She went to the Trinidad and Tobago carnival, and this was what Foota Hype had to say. And I'll talk about my thoughts and opinions on what he had to say later on in the video. So him get 321 likes on the picture, and he said, "I don't care if this is Miss Jamaica or Miss World. This don't look good. Your favorite idiot. Carnival make you degrade yourself, exposing yourself, shaking my fucking head. Better you did come and want dance in a one batty rider. Hashtag I love dancehall." And Casey took to her Instagram and replied by saying, "To who it may concern, I never respond to hate like this, but something inside me could not allow myself to see this and brush it off like I usually do, especially with what our women have been going through recently. I have grown to completely ignore comments like these. This type of man here is a big part of the problem we are currently facing. Not everything I do will be accepted by everyone, and there's nothing wrong with that. The problem lies with the person believing he has the authority to comment or even dictate how a woman should carry herself. Instead of celebrating us, they tear us down. This type of man makes a woman second guess themselves, and this type of man makes women second guess themselves, and that is absolutely unacceptable because our women are heaven sent, and it saddens me that situations like this lower their self-esteem. I wore this for me. I felt so beautiful and sexy. I thank Maria Coliti at, I don't even know how to pronounce her name. Forgive me, I may butcher it. At no point was I seeking for anyone's else approval but my own. That's how it should be always. To anyone out there that has been a victim of cyberbullying, I just wanted to let you know that you are loved, you are wonderfully made, you are beautiful, you are a masterpiece. Don't ever let any other person ever make you feel Don't ever let another person ever make you feel otherwise. Continue to be yourself no matter what the negativity may come your way. Wait till him see what I'm wearing tomorrow." So, Foota Hype have a bag of things to say about this girl and how she's dressing. Mind you, he was the same one. What did he? Mind you, he was the same one that was managing Aishana, and have Aishana wear bag of skimpy things, and Aishana was supposedly his fiance and baby mother. But since Aishana left and you no longer manage her, and Aishana is on her own and they do her own thing, whether people want to say she's doing good or doing bad, that's a difference of opinion based on persons to person. Somebody's dress and how inappropriate their dressing is. Like, how ironic is that? You're the same one where you used to let your fiance go perform on stage and all sort of things, but now you want to talk about how this a girl dress and she's going to a carnival, and I like see a dance or show anywhere should they go. She dressed appropriately for the occasion. And this is what gets me. Ever since I've been on YouTube, not ever since, but since I've started doing YouTube and doing YouTube commentary videos, is when I get the most hate on YouTube. The most hate. I think I get a lot of hate from women. Nah. Since I started doing commentary videos is when I get the most hate I've ever gotten ever on YouTube. And it's from men, specifically Jamaican men. Like some of them just sick to mock. Like, if you don't like how somebody looks, if you don't like how somebody talk, if you don't like how somebody dresses, keep it to yourself. Keep it pushing. Click out of them video, click out of them picture. Keep it fucking moving. I don't understand what's so hard in that. My grandmother used to always tell me, say, if you don't have nothing good for say, don't say nothing at all. Walk away. Go on about your business. And these are the same men that make Jamaican women especially feel like they're not good enough. They're not worthy enough. They lower Jamaican woman standards and self-esteem all the time with shit like this. When you judge and put stuff like that in social media for other people to not only criticize and judge this girl, you're not only making yourself look bad, you're making all a Jamaican man look bad. Because I know a lot of people would agree with what he said. I also know a lot of men that would not agree with what he said and think what she had on is appropriate. This girl is married. If her husband think what she had on was perfectly fine, you have no fucking business commenting on what this girl have on. She like she said, she did it for herself, not for nobody else's approval. I can't respect one woman like this, because when I do shit, I don't do it for anybody's approval. I don't do it for anybody to say yeah or nay about what I do. I do it because I want to do it. And honestly, Foota hype just sick to much now. He get from bad to worse, and this was uncalled for and unnecessary, and stuff like this give Jamaican woman bad name. They already have enough to say about Jamaican women, and our men is out here tearing us down and not protecting us. Like, who does that? Who does that? Our men does that, which a big problem, and I have a big, huge, enormous issue with. So with that being said, comment in the comment section and tell me, guys, if you have a problem with what she's wearing, if you think it's inappropriate because she did got carnival. Comment in the comment section also to the woman, especially my Jamaican woman, and tell me what you guys think, because stuff like this leads to men being controlling and abusing. Any man we can comment on what woman wear and say hi, he can't wear this and he can't wear that and it's inappropriate. Watch them man there. Them man there the same one we kill people and they kill the woman them at Jamaica. Watch them man there. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuce.